cooking dance. Don't forget the clapping part. Almost done. Keep dancing. Sarah's. Oh yeah. Now you're getting into it. All done. Cookies.
Oh, it's not done yet.
Yeah, you forgot to turn it on. Oops. It won't work if you don't dance. Okay, do you want to try some? I'll try some if you try some.
Hey!
Caitlin, we're in the middle of our dance. Ready? Cooking dance.
Would you like some? Want some?
Bum bum ba dum bum. Caitlin, you spilled.
I kind of can see that.
Look at your cookies. Watch them.
Maybe I shouldn't have filled it that much.
Sarah, you're getting more into this than she is.